I joined Upwork in 2016 and fast forward to 2024, a lot of things have changed. So let's look at how Upwork has changed over the past couple of years. So the first is the boosting system. And to be honest, this is getting really out of control. So let me give you an example of what I mean. I saw this WordPress project with a $1,000 budget, but then I checked the boosted proposals and the top one had boosted with over 50 connects. What? 50 connects for me is just outrageous for a single project. This is making Upwork a ton of money, but it has really messed up with the whole, bidding experience that we used to love as freelancers, bidding without boosting our proposals. So speaking of connects, jobs used to require somewhere between 2 to 6 connects to bid, and each connect used to cost 15 cents. As a newbie back then, I'll budget about $20 a month just for connects. But this has changed. Right now, a single job on Upwork could cost you 16 connects. That means you need to spend a lot more money for jobs that you're not really certain that you would get. The upside to all of this is that Upwork has now reduced their fee to 10% instead of 20% like they used to take. So here's my advice if you really want to use Upwork smartly and stand out from the fierce competition out there. Have a stellar profile that highlights what makes you stand out from other freelancers in your niche. Make sure that you always start your profile with a hook that engages and captivates anyone reading your profile. Also, adding portfolio pieces on your profile. This one is very important. I can't tell you how many direct job invites that I've gotten just because I have well-curated portfolio pieces on my profile. The next pro tip is to send genuine proposals to every job that you're applying for. Don't spam or apply to every random gig out there. Avoid being that person that uses ChatGPT to apply for a job without personalizing the cover letter. I've received tons of poor proposals and great proposals to jobs that I have posted on Upwork. Now, if you want a detailed breakdown of how to write job-winning proposals step by step in a way that attracts clients, my ebook Upwork Proposal Secrets details everything and gives you a guide on how to craft proposals that clients would love and make them want to hire you. So feel free to get a copy for yourself. The link is in the description box below. Having said all of this, should you still be a freelancer on Upwork in 2024? I would like to say it depends on where you're at on your freelance journey. If you're brand new to freelancing and you have zero experience with no portfolio item, you will likely face a lot of rejections before you start gaining traction and getting visibility to clients on Upwork. Keep iterating on the kind of proposals that you send and see what works over time, but stay patient. If you're a part-time freelancer with some experience, Upwork can be a really great place to find consistent side income and side gigs. Key here is to maintain a strong job success score and, keep growing your portfolio over time. If you're a full-time freelancer, I would like to say Upwork has its pros and its cons. On the plus side, it provides you with a steady stream of potential clients and projects that can really fuel your business growth. But the 10% fees, I would say it can really cut into your bottom line over time and reduce the total amount of money that you'll be taking home. At the end of the day, Upwork is still a really solid place to, freelance in 2024, but it's just one part of the big freelance puzzle. I'll advise you to feel free to check out other freelance platforms that you can find, clients. Also try to freelance offline as well. Find clients locally, clients around you. There will always be someone around you, whether it's a friend's friend or it's a family friend that would require your service. Now, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out my other videos on freelancing and let me know what you think in the comments. How has Upwork been for you in 2024? And would you advise another person to still join Upwork to find clients? Let me know, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.